Is it worth weighing in your own scrap? Hey guys, bit of a different one today. I've got a load of scrap I've got to get rid of, and there was such a pile of it, I thought, you know what, I'm going to weigh it in and see what it comes to. If you're anything like me, you always kind of pick something up for a project. I've got roofing sheets and all sorts of projects around the house, like building chicken coops and that sort of stuff, but I'm moving house, I've got nowhere to put it, so I've got to get rid of it. So let's take a trip down to Scrapyard and find out. Right, I've got all these old roofing sheets. They've been down the back of the garden for years. They were part of the chicken coop. So all these old roofing sheets. I've got 10 of those. They've been down the garden for years as well. Old gates, old chicken coop. Drive motor, what do you call it? The I can't think what it's called. It's a 1-to-1 gear coupling, it is. So drive goes in there, comes out there. That's off the bottom of a tractor. Someone gave it to me for the Regal project, but it's way too big and heavy. More roofing sheet, baby gate stuff, and a microwave. Right, just got to get it all in there. Put the seats forward, see if they fit all the way in. I know a lot of you will be saying I could sell all this stuff, but I'm moving house, I just haven't got the time. So that is all in there. It's quite a weight in there. That car is on the deck, but part of the reason why this car is going, the suspension is knackered at the back from towing caravans and all sorts. Right, let's see what that's worth.
Gideon bumps.
We are full.
I hope it's down here.
That's scraped the front and the back.
Oh, could you hear that on camera? Hey. What's that big old pothole in front of us? Hey, Sims Metalins. Gruen.
Lots of wheels. I could probably use those.
They look better than some of the ones we've got.
They probably are. Right, so I turn onto the weighbridge.
Are you going to let them off first?
Stop there.
Right.
All done up. cars are 120 quid a ton.
Right.
And that's it. Glass is empty. Oh,
Sorry.
so that's as empty. Was it worth it? Find out. Right then, how did we do? So let's take a look at this. We went in weighing 2.06 tons. Our outbound weight was 1.74 tons, and they classed it all as shearing scrap, which they pay a unit price of £190 a ton. So we came away with 60 quid and 80 pence. 60 quid and 80 pence. And to think that I was going to just put that out on the street or take it down to the local tip, that was a bargain. So that's not bad at all, considering it only took me an hour to kind of load it and process it all. I had to kind of do the work getting it all ready anyway, so 60 quid, happy with that. Right then guys, I know this one was a bit different, but I'm sure you guys hoard metal and other stuff like I do. So yeah, it is worth taking your own stuff down a tip. And it was easy. You just turned up, weighed the car, given my details, chucked it all out, weighed it again, and handed over the cash. Can't fault it. Take it easy guys. Thanks a lot. Ta-da.